Amphibi Crochet. Hello, today we're going to dive into the colorful world of Twinkie Chan. This crochet pattern designer has a flair for colorful, bright and happy crochet designs. It's all sort of food crocheted into everyday items that you can use around the house. So this is a banana split, banana boat, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a nice throw pillow with it's absolutely fun. And this is a birthday cake toilet paper cozy. How fun is this? It's so cute. And the bread loaf letter organizer. How cool will this look on your Pinterest-worthy desk? It's so cool. Let's see, what else do we have? It's loading. My computer is very slow today. I do apologize. Breakfast dishcloths. So there's an egg and there's some waffles and a coffee, and you can use them as dishcloths. I love the idea of combining these things. Here's the bubblegum bath mat. Pop! It makes you very happy every time you get out of the shower or the bath. And then there's the cheeseburger. No, this is not the cheeseburger. This is the carnival pen cozies. So these are pen cozies with carnival stuff. So this is a sugar, we call them sugar spins in Holland, but I think they're called cotton candy. And of course the corn dogs and everything. Awesome. This is the cheeseburger tissue box cozy. It's so fun as well. And the cherry pie seat cushion. I bet it looks very yummy and very comfortable at the same time. And the giant donut floor poof. That is fun. Every child would love to have this in their room. And there's another version in pink, of course. And then there's the grocery fridge magnet crochet patterns. How fun are these? I love the little cans of soup and ham and a small little bitty donut. Very nice. And then there's honey bear apron crochet. I've understood that this is some sort of syrup in the United States. And this is the apron for in the kitchen to not get your stuff dirty. Next up, the ice cream cone shower mitts. This looks very happy in your shower. And then there's the licorice all sorts Afghan. This is very colorful and fun. And we're not there yet. We also have little cherry zipper pulls. So these are fun to put on like a little bags and stuff. Or maybe even your phone. And this is the strawberry shortcake stand mixer cover. So if you don't like to look at your mixer all day on the kitchen counter, you can pull this thing on it. This is a pencil case, a taco pencil case. It's really nice. And the TV dinner tablet cover cozy. How fun is this? So cool. So that's a lot of fun. So check out Twinkie Chan's book. Link is below, and I will catch you next time. Happy crocheting!